User can communicate chatting with chat
Yeah.
the application. Just all hand free, voice input, and
Okay.
voice.
Okay. So you send it like you can send an SMS with it, for example?
Yeah.
Okay. And home appliances, I didn't have a look.
That's basically maybe turn on the lights just before you come, so you set a timer or something like that. So
Okay.
it will get
Okay, like put the oven on or something like that? Or?
yeah, again, concept anything like that, or
Okay.
heating. Have the sensors.
This is Xperia agent.
Set at 26 or
Assist
23.
users' everyday life with using
Basically,
voice
the
and
idea is to
gestures.
make your life easier.
Today is just a motion demo, and these three key features.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.